Reading books is one such habit the elites follow, but there are 9 more such habits, so keep watching the video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Engaging in calculated risks. The affluent and elites are not indiscriminate players. Rather, they are willing to undertake prudent, planned risks. They recognize that substantial rewards often include a certain degree of risk. Nonetheless, the crucial aspect is in the computation. Affluent people and elites diligently evaluate prospective risks and benefits prior to decision-making. They collect data, assess market trends, and alleviate any risks. Examine the narrative of Jeff Bezos, who departed from a secure position to establish Amazon. He did not resign impulsively. He assessed the prospects for e-commerce expansion and reached a reasoned conclusion. To enhance your risk assessment abilities, do comprehensive study on every substantial financial choice. Evaluate optimal and suboptimal possibilities and consistently maintain a contingency strategy. Engaging in this practice will enhance your confidence in undertaking calculated risks that may provide significant benefits. Number 2. Participating in ongoing learning and enhancement. Affluent people and elites often have a strong need for knowledge. They recognize that information constitutes power, particularly in our ever-evolving environment. Numerous accomplished individuals allocate time each day to reading, including industry-related content, economic updates, or literature on personal growth. Warren Buffett, for example, is said to dedicate up to 80% of his day to reading and contemplation. However, education extends beyond just reading. Affluent individuals often participate in seminars, engage with instructional podcasts, and seek mentoring from more experienced peers. This relentless quest for information positions them at the forefront of trends and enables them to make educated judgments. To integrate this habit into your routine, allocate time daily for studying. Commence by engaging with an instructional podcast for a duration of 30 minutes, either by reading or listening. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more habits of elites that make them different. Number 3. Developing diverse revenue streams. Many affluent individuals eschew dependence on a one income stream due to the associated risks. They diversify their income sources, establishing a safety net and many pathways for wealth accumulation. These supplementary revenue streams may include investment profits, rental properties, ancillary enterprises, or royalties from intellectual property. For instance, some successful entrepreneurs do not only depend on their own business. They may also invest in equities, own rental properties, and maybe engage in a consultancy endeavor. This diversity enhances financial stability and creates more prospects for wealth building. To begin the development of numerous revenue streams, evaluate your abilities and resources. Can you initiate a supplementary venture using your expertise? Alternatively, consider investing in dividend-yielding equities. Commence modestly and then expand your supplementary revenue streams over time. Number 4. Associating with individuals with similar ideologies. Jim Rohn's assertion, "You are the average of the 5 individuals with whom you spend the most time," has validity. Affluent folks often associate with other accomplished, motivated individuals. This atmosphere of aspiration and achievement may be profoundly motivating and inspirational. Such relationships can result in significant possibilities and insights. Networking beyond the mere accumulation of business cards. It involves cultivating significant connections with others who align with your ambitions and principles. To broaden your network, attend business events, join professional associations, or engage in mastermind groups. Identify mentors who have accomplished your desired goals. Surrounding oneself with ambitious, successful individuals increases the likelihood of adopting their good behaviors and mentality. Number 5. Emphasizing tax efficiency. Affluent people often collaborate with tax experts to lawfully reduce their tax liabilities. They recognize that it is not just about the income generated, but also the amount retained. This does not imply tax evasion, but rather the organization of finances and enterprises in the most tax-efficient way allowed by law. This may include techniques such as optimizing contributions to retirement accounts, timing the sale of assets to enhance capital gains treatment, or designing a firm to leverage certain tax benefits. Although intricate tax techniques often need expert assistance, all individuals may benefit from enhancing their tax awareness. Commence by familiarizing yourself with fundamental tax principles and deductions pertinent to your circumstances. Engage a tax specialist to assist in formulating advanced solutions when your wealth increases. Number 6. Investing in themselves and their enterprises. Affluent people recognize that one of the most advantageous investments is in their own personal development and enterprises. This may include investing in advanced schooling, employing a personal coach, or participating in elite programs to refine their talents. In business, this often entails reinvesting earnings into growth prospects, like acquiring top personnel, enhancing technology, or entering new markets. Examine the narrative of Sarah Blakely, the creator of Spanx. She allocated her life resources of $5,000 to begin her firm. As the business expanded, she persistently reinvested earnings, refusing to engage external investors. This method enabled her to retain control and eventually establish a billion-dollar company. To implement this notion, contemplate allocating a segment of your income for personal advancement or company expansion. Number 7. Concentrating on scalable business models. Wealth accumulation via companies sometimes involves affluent individuals concentrating on scalable methods. Scalability enables a corporation to expand substantially without a corresponding rise in expenses or exertion. This method facilitates exponential development and wealth accumulation. Software firms exemplify scalable enterprises. Upon product development, it may be marketed to millions of consumers with little supplementary expenses. However, scalability extends beyond technology. Franchise enterprises facilitate expansion by duplicating a successful framework. To implement this notion, consider developing systems or products that can engage a broader audience without necessitating a corresponding escalation in time or resources. Regardless of whether you are an entrepreneur, you may use scalability thinking in your profession by cultivating abilities that influence a wider range of your organization's activities. Number 8. Employing debt strategically. Although many individuals are instructed to eschew debt entirely, affluent persons often comprehend how to leverage debt as a mechanism for wealth accumulation. The essential distinction is between advantageous debt, which facilitates asset accumulation or income enhancement, and detrimental debt, which depreciates in value and fails to create revenue. A loan for acquiring a rental property that produces monthly income may be classified as advantageous debt. The property is expected to appreciate over time, with rental revenue capable of covering loan payments and maybe generating extra cash flow. Conversely, using a credit card to fund an extravagant trip is often seen as unfavorable debt. To use debt wisely, familiarize yourself with various financing alternatives and consistently assess the prospective return on investment before incurring any debt. Furthermore, Never assume more debt than you can prudently handle. Number 9. Establishing and utilizing networks. The affluent not only surround themselves with like-minded folks, but also proactively cultivate and use their networks. They recognize that personal connections may be as significant as knowledge itself. These networks serve as a reservoir of possibilities, collaborations, and pertinent information. Successful individuals often adopt a give-first mindset in networking. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the 10 rich people habits you didn't know you have. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 10,000 subscribers goal.